Welcome to Civil CAD Learning Solutions, Productivity Tools, Help videos. So in this video, we're going to go over the actual dry utility BIM. So what this product or command feature does is actually allows you to create multiple pipes, such as franchise utilities like cable, electrical, gas, fiber optics, within the same trench all at one time. So let's go through the process. So I'm actually in the Suite App tool. And all I have here is I do have a surface in here. So I do have a polyline in this drawing. And you can do it from a polyline or an alignment to create these pipe networks. So when I run the command, it's asked me to select a polyline or alignment. I'll select it. And now we'll get this dialog box. Now within a dialog box, I have one duct. So let's say I have a fiber optic. It's a 3-inch pipe. I'm using a null structure for all my structures, and I can always come back and swap it. It's in the same trench. It's 2 foot of cover. So over here, we cover. The network name, I'm going to call this F1 for fiber. Okay. And maybe have another one. These are spaced out based on if you're following alignment going up north. Okay, so here I'm going to say it's 0.25 feet apart, so basically 3 inches apart. And then on the next row, I'm going down here. I'm going from up to down. So on the next level, it's 3 inches, 3 foot of cover. And this one's going to be, we'll say it's electrical, so E-1. Click OK. This is the current layer here. And I'm going to say electrical. It's also 3 inch. And maybe there's actually multiple of these. They're all 3 inches. Maybe this one is 6 inches. This one's 6 inches. 6 inches. The other one's 4 inches. I'm not kind of following any kind of design standards or anything. I'm just showing you how it actually works. These are all null structures here. Also, the parent layers, the starting offset. So if you do a negative value, you can say it's starting 1 foot to the left or 1 foot to the right. So this is to the right. -1's to the left. Okay. And it's actually using the proposed surface in here. I can select a use profile to follow vertically on this project. Okay. And you can actually save these settings. So next time you don't have to, if you know your trench diagram and it's always going to be the same type of project, you can save these settings out and then you can import it back in so you don't have to plug this in every single time. The third level, I can maybe say it's 5 foot of cover and it's going to be, let's say gas. And I know gas is not going to be that deep, but it's just an example. 4-inch pipe. Okay. It's just one of it. I'm going to call it G1 for the network. Also null structures and null structures. This is just the parent layers. It's putting it on. I'm going to check the box. That way it does create to level 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then we'll hit place. And there we go. So it created my fiber optic lines, my gas lines. So if I come in here now, I'm going to freeze this so I can select it. I'll check the XREF. Okay. And go to Object Viewer. And let's see what we have here. As you can see, there's the polyline, but here is actually our pipes and our trench. So there's that gas line, level 2. There is the electrical, and level 1 was the fiber optic. So there's the colors. As you can see here. And this is just a quick way to create multiple pipes across the trench. And this works great for franchise utilities. It may work for a water and sewer if you want to do water and sewer, but it's basically the main purpose is for the dry utilities. Like I said before, you can save these settings out. Say save settings, and you can save it out, and you can always import it in too. So this is a quick way and an easy way to create multiple dry utilities all at one time within a trench. So hopefully this helps answer a lot of your questions you may have about this, the dry utility BIM app.